Before we take you around Wonokoyo Asri Waterpark, let's talk a bit about the city where this beautiful place is located, Situbondo. Situbondo is a small regency on the north coast of East Java, between Probolinggo and Banyuwangi. It's surrounded by green mountains on one side and the calm Madura Strait on the other. The city is often called the gateway to Baluran National Park, one of the most famous safari destinations in East Java. But Situbondo has so much more to offer. Here, you can find beautiful beaches, peaceful villages, and local communities that still keep their traditional culture alive, like fishing, weaving, and local food markets. Situbondo is also known for its friendly people and relaxing atmosphere. Everything feels slower here, perfect for those who want to take a break from the busy city life. Besides the famous Baluran and Blackbird village, there are also hidden gems like waterfalls, mangrove forests, and fun water parks, including the one we're visiting today. What makes this place special is how it combines beauty and purpose. The mangrove forest helps protect coastline from erosion, provides a home for fish and birds, and keeps the water clean. Visitors can walk along the boardwalk, take photos at several beautiful spots, and even join mangrove planting programs if they come at the right time. So if you ever plan to visit East Java, don't skip Situbondo. It might be small, but it's full of nature, culture, and warm local hospitality. And now, let's head to our main destination, Wonokoyo Asri Waterpark in Situbondo. Hello everyone!
Hi!
We are from
Five Roots! Today we're going to take you to one of the most refreshing spots in Situbondo, Wonokoyo Asri Waterpark. We will show you this place is fun, affordable, and worth visitor for families and friends.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe before we start the tour.
Alright, let's go!
Wonokoyo Asri Waterpark is located in Wonokoyo village, around 15 minutes from Situbondo city center. This time, we departed from Cerme Bondowoso or the inner road. The route to get there is quite accessible, passing through residential areas and beautiful nature scenery along the way. Yay! We've arrived at the location. Let's go straight to the ticket counter to buy tickets for 15,000 rupiah. If you ride a bike, you will only be charged 2,000 rupiah for parking.
So here we are at Wonokoyo Asri Waterpark. The place is really wide and surrounded by trees that makes the air feel so fresh.
This water park has several pools. For toddlers, pools around the 30 to 40 centimeters deep, and kids pools around the 60 to 80 centimeters deep, and adults pools to around the 160 centimeters deep, so everyone can enjoy the fun safely.
There we meet the owner of the Wonokoyo Asri Waterpark, Mr. Iksan. He said that there are plenty of facilities here. You can find baby pools around 30 until 40 centimeter deep, kids pool around 60 until 80 centimeter, and adult pools up to 160 centimeter deep. The area next to the pool is also interesting for visitors. There are swings that still work if you don't bring food and drinks. There is a canteen here that is quite well stocked. There are also plenty of toys for children, such as ball pits and mini merry-go-rounds. In addition, there are gazebos for visitors to enjoy the pool atmosphere while relaxing. You can also find a pedal duck boat on a natural pond, perfect for couples or friends who want to chill. Now let's explore more facilities with us. There's a comfortable prayer room for visitors who want to take a short break and break. You can also find a hut and information post near the entrance. Oh, and if you forget to bring a float, don't worry, you can rent one for only 10,000 rupiah. Let's take a little walk around this shady poolside area. It's such a calm and relaxing view, especially because the weather is cloudy today. It makes the atmosphere even more peaceful. We also stopped by the exercise area. It's quite spacious with wide mirrors that make you feel motivated to move and stretch together. Not far from here, we can already see the exercise area. It's quite spacious and really clean. Let's take a closer look. Look at my friends pushing happily. Of course, we couldn't miss taking some photos here. Clean and comfortable bedrooms are also available, which is such an important thing in a public place like this. And honestly, I still can't get over how cute the little pedal duck boats are. Unfortunately, we couldn't ride them today because it was drizzling. Woohoo! As we walked behind the slides, we saw a sign that said, "Utamakan kebersihan" or "Prioritize cleanliness." Oh, we also passed by a small room filled with pipes. Maybe it's part of the water filtering system from the spring. Right next to it, there's this photo spot shaped like a heart made of flowers, and it looks so pretty. The bright colors really stand out against the green surroundings. A lot of visitors usually stop here to take pictures with their friends or family, and honestly, the photos turn out super aesthetic. Of course, we also took a few shoots here, because how could we miss it, right? There's also a wall paint with batik patterns near the slides. It's beautiful and truly represents Situbondo's identity as a city known for its batik art. Then we found another aesthetic wall with the words Wonokoyo Asri. Of course, we took photos there too. There's also a beautiful wing-shaped photo spot, and it looks so cool when you stand in the middle of it, just like you've got your own angel wings. The design is really creative and makes the perfect background for photos or short videos. After taking lots of photos, we kept walking and found a spacious open hall not too far from there. This hall can be used for various events, from school activities, community gatherings, to formal occasions. What's interesting is that the stage is neatly arranged and has beautiful natural lighting. So if you hold an event here in the afternoon, it looks really stunning. And look, there's even a teeny bunny house. It's so cute. Along the pool, there are also long benches and a working water tap to help visitors rinse or wash their feet easily. And lastly, there's even a small karaoke spot where visitors can play music or sing, so no one ever gets bored here. So these are the facilities.
Our impression of this place is really positive. It's spacious, clean, and the water feels super fresh because it comes directly from a natural spring.
We were amazed to know that all 11 staff members here are local residents. That's a great way to support the community.
However, there are still some facilities that need improvement, such as the dirty paddle swimming pool and slippery swimming pool. To prevent the risk of accidents when playing, regular cleansing is really necessary. We also think this place deserves more promotion on social media because many locals still don't know it well.
Wonokoyo Asri Waterpark shows several sustainable practices. Around the pool area, you can find signs that remind visitors not to litter and to keep the environment clean. All employees are recruited from the local community, helping to improve the local economy. And the natural pond for paddle ducks is also well preserved. It uses natural water, not artificial. We hope that the management continues these eco-friendly practices and develops better facilities to attract more visitors responsibly. For those planning to visit, it's best to come in the morning when it's not too crowded and the water is cool. Don't forget to bring your own tumbler to reduce plastic waste and always follow the cleanliness rules.
That's all for our vlog today at Wonokoyo Asri Waterpark. We really recommend this place if you are looking for a refreshing and affordable weekend spot in Situbondo.
Thank you for watching and supporting our project.
So now we're on our way back home. It was such a fun and refreshing day at Wonokoyo Asri Waterpark. The place is clean, the facilities are complete, and the atmosphere feels so calm and relaxing. Even though it was a bit rainy, it actually made the vibe even more peaceful. Hopefully, next time we can visit here again.
See you in the next vlog. Bye bye!